check it out. See you on Boosted Bogan. Here, Boosted Bogan, we've got Corey. Hello, Corey.
Yeah, mate.
So, tell us a little bit about the colour scheme. What's the inspiration?
Well, inspiration Peter Brock straight away.
Of course.
Because they're from Peter Brock, so the colour scheme, you know, the 78, 79 great race. So try to combine those two together.
Yep.
So you got the Nissan A red, I think your Nissan Beaker red they call it, and the Heron white. So that was exactly what they painted in those days. Then the Commodore went a different colour again. I can't remember the bloody red. There was another red there. What we done here was so with all the outsides race, all the insides still SS interior of that era. But then we modernised with a 6.6 litre with the LS2 and the 6-speed manual 9-inch.
Check out this interior. This is gorgeous inside and out. Check this out, guys.
So the reason behind this is so the Commodores, when they go on the Commodores, you got the cold air intake on the front.
Yep.
So we designed it so everything comes through the reverse cowl off your windscreen.
Yep.
So it comes through here, and it's a Rodeo air cleaner.
Yep.
And run through here and straight through your throttle body, so it comes through the back and it works perfect.
Yeah, it's a really unique design. I really love this. Especially, I love your sticker here as well. That's absolutely fantastic. It's like, please touch my car, I will hit you. Love it.
It's all good.
That is fantastic. I love it's clean. It's all really nicely done. Where did you get the header stuff?
Well, the header, because all the corners are under there, under the LS, of course.
Yep.
So the Edelbrock covers, we just got them laser cut to everything to suit.
Yep.
So on both sides, because that was a custom cover and all this sort of stuff on it, so just get more laser cut, and even the fuel lines run just in here, so we had to edge out inside and all that sort of stuff.
That's really clean.
The tightest thing was just getting the engine and the headers made. Was the hardest thing.
It's such a tight fit, and it's so gorgeously done. It's so well and clean.
The beading on the metalwork's just fantastic. It's clean.
Do you take it out on the street much?
Yeah, it's street registered in Queensland.
Yep.
It's got the side pipe and everything, but that's on a switch, so it goes to the back, goes to the front, so you can when you're on the road, you're sort of supposed to have the switch on the back. But we pulled over once, and they said, yeah, okay, there's nothing going to do there. Just use it like this, just for show. But
yep.
Yeah, it's all good.
At the end of the day, there's nothing wrong with having that. You've got to have a bit of fun with it, but obviously you've still got to abide by the
rules. Yeah.
No, it's a very clean.
It's only illegal when you court, you know.
That's it.
You want to start off?
Yeah, if you could, that'd be fantastic. Corey's just about to give her a blip. You watch the crowd this is going to pull. Hi guys, Pete from Boosted Bogan. Check out what we found at Toranafest. This is probably one of the most Australian car meets you could ever have. And there's something particularly wrong with this variant of the Torana. And if those viewers out there who haven't noticed yet, that's an RB motor. Someone has Skyline swapped to Torana. That is gorgeous. As a JDM lover myself, there's nothing like dual cams, wham bam, thank you ma'am. And I'm sure this thing could put down some mad burst.